South African treats. South Africa has some mouth-watering desserts. South Africans love their sweets and treats. These delicious treats will surely impress you. Peppermint crisp tart. This South African fridge tart is a true favorite. The way that this tart is assembled is the reason for its unique flavor. It is made with layers of crunchy biscuit, caramel, cream and mint chocolate. All of this combined offers some true impressive South African goodness. This cold dessert looks as good as it tastes. Malva Pudding. The Malva Pudding is one of South Africa's best loved desserts. It is a sweet pudding that contains apricot jam. It has a spongy caramelised texture. A delicious sweet and creamy sauce is poured over the pudding when it comes straight out of the oven. It is served with ice cream or custard. Milk Tart. This South African comfort food is served as a dessert or a tea time treat and is one of the most traditional desserts in South Africa. The actual meaning of this tart is a milk tart. It consists of a sweet pastry crust with a custard filling made from milk, flour, sugar and eggs and is dusted with cinnamon. National Milk Tart Day is a day where this tart is celebrated in the country. Cook Sisters. A cook sister take after a donut far more than a cake. This fried dough is infused in a sticky, syrupy goodness. The dough is given the shape of a braid. The outside of the cook sister is golden and crispy, and the inside is soft and full of syrup. Another true South African tea time treat. Sago Pudding. This tasty and very light pudding is made from slowly cooking sago pearls in milk. There is some similarity to rice pudding. You can expect a lovely flavor of cinnamon and vanilla. Hartsoggies. This jam-filled tartlet with a coconut topping is a popular dessert often enjoyed with a cup of tea. Seems like a biscuit and a tart combination. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss another video.